Hello everyone, hope you're having a great week. Just some short updates on what we're going through in Module 2, Part 2, and what's coming up in Module 3, Part 1 that opens tomorrow. As you know, in this module, Module 2, Part 2, we're going to be, we've been reading our new book, Wise Beyond Your Field, the rules of the gang, and hopefully you're having a good time with that in the discussions as well. That's going to prepare us as we move ahead to start working in small groups, kind of looking at those rules a little more in depth and applying those to a group project that you'll start. So it's important that you read that well and think about it, discuss it, get some ideas in your head so that when the next module opens, you'll be able to work effectively in your group. Don't forget you also need to submit the library assignments, the two handouts that you have to fill out before the end of Module 2, Part 2 on Sunday. And also I just wanted to mention that it was good to meet you on the phone or in person or in a Google chat this last couple weeks as we went through the IDPs. You should see feedback I've left on the first draft of your IDP in my grades section of the course. If you click on my grades and go back into the IDP that you uploaded, you should see comments in there. If you don't, let me know. I left comments on everyone's paper that I talked with. So hopefully those will help you, excuse me, as you edit and get ready to submit the second draft, although that's not due for a few more weeks. Also, don't forget that we do have an ePortfolio workshop. You're not required to attend that, and what we do is basically what we're going to do in the class anyway, is we learn how to create an ePortfolio and customize it. But I know that some people would rather do that in person and kind of do it kind of more hands-on. So if you're free next Tuesday night at 5 p.m. at our MDS office on 1023 South Grant Avenue, feel free to come by and be a part of that. It'd be helpful if you have a laptop or tablet that you want to bring so that you can follow along with me as I kind of lead you through how to create and customize your ePortfolio. Remember, the ePortfolio is the tool we'll use to kind of gather information on how we're doing in our program outcomes, and I know I've talked with all of you about what those are, and so the ePortfolio kind of helps you get that organized, and as you move through your upper division courses, you can submit your assignments into that ePortfolio that shows that you do know how to do those outcomes that we've talked about. Coming up tomorrow in Module 3, Part 1, as I said, the main thing we'll be doing is discussing the gang rules that we've read about in this module, and discussing those in smaller groups. So each of you is assigned into a group. If you're not in a group, when you click into Module 3, Part 1 and go to the group section, if you're not in a smaller group of 5 or 6 people, please let me know that. And I'll definitely get you in one. I think I got everyone in the right place. So we're going to have a discussion over those gang rules. You're going to start the process of figuring out what you're going to do for your group project, which I hope you'll find challenging but also fun, and even a good maybe mock-up of what it's like to work on a project like that in a work setting, if you haven't done that already in your life. So in addition to that, we do have some readings in our textbook of College Success, so read those along as well. And then by the end of the module, we will be coming back together as a class and discussing what we found in our small groups in a class discussion board. So we've got, of course, folders that lead you through that process coming up in this next module. But if you have questions about that or what's involved, please let me know. We're getting to already a third of our semester is already done, so we're getting well into the course. So hopefully you're finding your feet in it and you're seeing how it's organized and able to get around in it good. If not, please contact me. I'm always glad to help out. So I hope you have a great rest of your week and a good weekend, and we'll see you coming in the upcoming week. Thanks.